If you're truly interested in mastering the fundamentals of affiliate marketing and building your own online business, I encourage you to stop what you're doing right now and click the link in the description below. You'll gain access to a free video where I share insights about a challenge that's been instrumental in my journey towards success. Imagine a robotic engineer, a part-time DJ, who decided to dive into the world of online business optimization. That's me, Ivan. With a knack for learning the fundamentals in everything I do, I set out on a quest in 2020 to find a strategy to escalate my online presence and boost my revenues. I remember taking an online real estate course, which blew my mind with its intricate structure, the masterful marketing strategy that piqued my interest. I wanted to create a powerful system like that for my own business. Long story short, one day as I was checking a review for a dropshipping program, I stumbled upon a video. It spoke of a challenge to learn the fundamentals of building a successful online business from scratch. In that process, learning the secrets of online presence optimization, creating your own lead magnets, or how to be compliant with laws. This challenge was exactly what I was looking for, a trusted roadmap, a powerful blueprint for my own online business. Imagine a challenge that takes you by the hand and guides you through the intricacies of building a successful online venture. From mastering the art of email marketing campaigns to crafting done-for-you sales funnels, it seemed too good to be true. But it wasn't. And it wasn't just about the technical aspects. It was about crafting personalized lead magnets that attract the right audience. It was about learning the secrets of optimizing your online presence to ensure you are seen and heard. It was a holistic approach to building an online empire. But what truly set this challenge apart was the community it offered, a band of experts and like-minded individuals all working hard, just like me, to build their businesses using various blueprints. This wasn't just a course. It was a journey we were all on together, learning, growing, and succeeding. The real beauty of it all, it was all about learning by doing. There was no abstract theory, no outdated concepts, just practical, actionable strategies that you could implement in real time. And let me tell you, the results were staggering. Not only did I learn the difference between general marketing and direct response marketing, but I also discovered the golden rule of content creation: 70% value, 30% conversion. I took action, jumped into the challenge, and here I am, understanding the nuances of marketing, content creation, and the importance of helping others. In today's world, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Instead, you need to understand how money works and flows. It's not about a quick cash grab or a fleeting trend. It's about identifying real needs and providing real solutions. The best way to make money is by genuinely helping others. It's as simple and as profound as that. If you solve other people's problems or help them find the perfect solutions, you'll make money. It's just a matter of time. Now, let's talk about the value of promoting valuable products and services. There are countless products and services out there that can truly elevate people's lives. You don't necessarily need to create these products yourself. Instead, you can promote them, becoming a crucial link between these life-changing products and the people who need them. While you're doing this, you're also building the funds you need to develop your own dreams. But you need to know that this journey can be a lonely one. People around you may not understand what you're doing or why you're doing it. This is why a community of like-minded individuals is so vital. In this community, you'll find understanding, support, and shared aspirations. You'll learn from others and they'll learn from you. You're all in this together, working hard to build your dreams using different blueprints, including affiliate marketing. People around you may not understand this world, and you can feel alone. But with this community, you're never alone in your journey. Now, let me share this opportunity with you. Yes, you who is watching this video right now, I invite you to click on the link in the video description. There, you'll gain access to a free video where I delve deeper into this challenge that has transformed my online business and could do the same for yours. But that's not all. You'll also get access to 6 essential tools every online entrepreneur needs today. These tools have been instrumental in my journey and have been carefully selected to help you optimize your online presence and revenues, just like I'm doing. Imagine having a blueprint, a trusted roadmap that you can follow to develop your own successful online business. Well, this is it. This is your chance to learn, grow, and build. There are affiliate links in this post, meaning at no additional cost to you. I would be compensated if you click through and take action. We do not promote any get-rich-quick programs. We believe in hard work, dedication, and passion to realize our dreams. Remember, success comes over time and effort. It's not a sprint, but a marathon. So, are you ready to take action? Are you ready to jump into the challenge? Let's get started.